morning, sir. Welcome to IC Restaurant. Do you have any reservation?
Yes,
May I know your name?
my name is Zuriel Bonate.
By the way, sir, we have prepared a very nice table for you. This way, please. This table be all right for you.
Yeah,
Please take your seat. Excuse me, sir. May I lay your napkin?
sure, thank you.
By the way, sir, I'm Josh A. Eguia, your food server for today, and it will be my pleasure to serve you. Excuse me, sir. Would you like ice cold juice? We have pineapple juice, orange juice, and apple juice. What did you like, sir?
I would like to have the apple juice.
Excuse me, sir. Would you like ice cold water?
Sure.
Excuse me, sir. Would you like a bread roll?
Yes, please.
Would you like another roll?
No, thank you.
Excuse me, sir. I would like to present to you our food menu for your selection, and I will take your order whenever you're ready.
Can you get me the chicken noodle soup? And for the salad is Thai shrimp salad. And the main course is beef steak with mashed potato.
Excuse me, sir. May I suggest appetizer for you? We have sisig, Filipino dish made from chopped pig paste, ears, and liver, seasoned by vinegar, soy sauce, and calamansi juice. Or lumpiang Shanghai, iconic Filipino food made from ground pork, shrimp, carrot, onion, and garlic. What did you like, sir?
I would take the sisig.
Excuse me, sir. This is your appetizer, your sisig. Excuse me, sir. This is your soup, your chicken noodle soup. Excuse me, sir. Can I clean your plate?
Sure.
Excuse me, sir. Here is your salad. Your order is thyme shrimp salad. Excuse me, sir. Can I clean your plate?
Sure, no problem.
Cut no. Excuse me, sir. I would like to present to you your bottle of wine you ordered, Beringer Marlowe. Here is your house wine, Carlo Rossi. It's contain 750 ml, 12.5% alcohol volume. It has good vintage year 2001, made from vineyard of Modesto, California, USA. So I open this bottle for you.
Sure.
Would you like taste first?
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir. Here is your main course. Your order is beef steak with mashed potato. Excuse me, sir. Can I clean your plate?
Sure.
Excuse me, sir. May I present your bill? Your bill is 1,300 and I received 1,500. I'll be back for your change. Excuse me, sir. This is your receipt and change. Your change is 200 pesos. Thank you for dining with us, and I'm looking forward to your next visit.